Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on circular motion. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. Okay, so what is the angular speed of a car wheel of diameter 0.4 meters when the speed of the car is 108 kilometers an hour? Well, let's just have a look and think about this. If there's the wheel of the car, whoops, there's the wheel of the car, and that wheel is driving along the road. If the car is moving at 108 kilometers per hour, then the car wheel itself must have a velocity on its outside edge of 108 kilometers per hour, because that tyre or that wheel of the car is constantly in contact with the road, so it must have an outside velocity the same as the velocity of the car. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get this 108 kilometers per hour into standard units. So 108 kilometers an hour is going to be equal to, let's multiply it by 1,000 to get it into meters, and then divide it by 3,600 to get that into seconds, and put it into your calculator, and you'll discover that the road and therefore the tyre has a velocity of 30 meters per second. Now I can use the equation from your data sheet that says your angular velocity is equal to the velocity over the radius. Velocity we've just calculated at 30 meters per second. The radius, well, we're told the diameter of the wheel is 0.4 meters, so the radius must be 0.2 meters. Again, put those numbers into your calculator. That's 150 radians per second. Answer B. If that was useful, subscribe, like and share, and keep watching these videos to help you with your A-level physics revision.